binibinigi ng Aquino o kalalapag po lamang natin sa Ninoy Aquino International Airport, maligayang pagdating sa Maynila. Mangyari po lamang manatiling nakaupo at nakakabit ang seatbelt, huwag po lamang kunin ang mga hand-carried baggage hanggang ang ating aeroplano ay ganap nang nakahinto. Sa ngalan ng Philippine Airlines, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa inyong pagtangkilik sa amin. Inaasahan namin na muli tayo magkikita. Maraming salamat po. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Ninoy Aquino International Airport. Welcome to Manila. The local time now is 9 minutes past the hour of 6 in the morning, and the ground temperature is 25 degrees Celsius or 77 degrees Fahrenheit. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened. Do not remove your carry-on baggage until the aircraft has come to a full stop and is properly parked. For passengers with connecting flights, kindly proceed to the transfer desk right before Immigration's area for transfer details. Please claim your check-through baggage at Carousel in Terminal 2 and clear through customs before proceeding to take the free shuttle bus, which will take you to Terminal 3. On behalf of Captain Nito Samuya, Captain Marvin Damon, First Officer Rene Atilano, and the rest of the crew, thank you for flying Philippine Airlines. Mabuhay at maraming salamat po.